Tonight, the grandparents of Joshua J.J. Vallow are asking an Idaho judge to appoint them to represent the murdered 7-year-old on the eve of the trial for J.J.'s mother, Lori Vallow Daybell.
News specialist Lauren Steinbrecher is live in the newsroom. Lauren, things keep developing in this case even as we head into the final hours.
Yeah, Deanie and Mike, truly the final hours. Monday morning, the trial begins. But this week, Vallow Daybell's attorneys asked the judge to keep Kay and Larry Woodcock out of court. And now they're fighting back.
Kay and Larry Woodcock had plans to attend Lori Vallow Daybell's trial every single day as they look for justice in the murder of 3 people, including their grandson, Joshua J.J. Vallow. But Judge Stephen Boyce could rule next week that they can't.
The defense argued that they weren't under the immediate family definition under a couple of statutes.
Lori's attorneys this week said they believe the couple doesn't classify as immediate family to their grandson because Lori adopted JJ. And because they're being called as witnesses to testify, the defense thinks the Woodcocks shouldn't be allowed to watch other testimony. The trial will decide if Lori is responsible for the murders of JJ and her daughter Tylee Ryan and conspiracy in the death of her husband Chad Daybell's late wife Tammy Daybell. The Woodcocks fired back by hiring their own attorney, Shannon Gray.
It does appear that they might be witnesses in the case, right? But that's secondary to their rights as victims.
And on Friday, he filed a motion and memorandum saying not only should they be considered victims, Kay deserves to be appointed as JJ's representative in court, potentially allowing her to give a victim impact statement and collect restitution.
They're the ones that really initiated the looking for J.J. Vallow in the first place. Kay is by far the most involved. She's the one that's been involved through the entire case.
And hoping to see this case through to the end.
There's just no reason for them not to be able to sit in that courtroom with all of the tragedy that they've experienced.
Yeah, so Monday morning, trial begins. Jury selection is happening first, and the public is not allowed in the courtroom until opening statements. Judge Boyce said Wednesday he hopes to have a decision about the Woodcocks early next week. Deanie.
All right, Lauren, thank you. And keep it right here on KSL TV. We will have a reporter in the courtroom for the duration of this trial. You can find updates both on air and online at ksltv.com. Plus, tune in tonight at 10 as we look ahead to the trial that gets underway Monday and the twists and turns that brought us to this point.